I handle a lot of cases involving commercial drivers. Jacksonville, the city that I am located in, there is an intersection between I-10 and I-95 that gets a massive amount of commercial traffic. They're both huge thoroughfares, obviously 10 going west and 95 going north. And as a result, we have a lot of commercial drivers that come through our area. And unfortunately, anytime there are a lot of commercial drivers, there are a lot of accidents involving commercial drivers and just citations involving them. One of our practice areas that we absolutely specialize in is helping commercial drivers when they receive various types of infractions. And with commercial drivers in particular, not only are you subject to the issues that come up through the state laws, commercial drivers also fall under the jurisdiction of the FMCSA, which is the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act. And under the FMCSA, there are some very specific rules that govern the situations in which a commercial driver can have their license be at risk. And depending on the nature of certain moving violations, you can, as a commercial driver, fall under a class of what are known as major violations. Major violations are the real serious ones. Accidents involving a fatality, certain railroad crossing violations, a DUI in a commercial motor vehicle, and a number of other ones. There's a lower class of violations, what are known as serious violations. And serious violations encompass some of the more common traffic infractions that we see. The great majority of CDL cases that we deal with involve serious violations versus major violations. Serious violations can be things like failure to yield, following too closely, speeding over 50 miles per hour above the limit, and a number of other types of violations. So there are a number of ways that we try and address both serious and major violations under the federal statute. We may seek to have a charge amended. We may seek to beat a charge outright. And some of it depends on the jurisdiction that we are in. Some of it depends on the specific facts of the case. But those are all very big factors that we look at in determining how to best address one of these cases.